Hey guys, Jer here. Now in this video, I'm gonna be creating quick overview of Kevin Fahey's online marketing success for 2024. Now, quick disclaimer, guys, this is not a full review because I don't have access yet into the training course. I'm trying to purchase the training course in the sales page, but it's not live yet. This is gonna go live today at 9 a.m. EST, 5 hours from now as of recording this video. So I'm just gonna give you an overview of what this product is all about. Okay, now I check out the sales page here and I found a testimonial here. This testimonial is from Helen Palmer. Okay, now this is a real testimonial, guys, because I know Helen for some time now and we're friends on Facebook, and she is actually a student of Kevin, and I know this person. Okay, and yeah, there are also other testimonial here. Now Connie, now I don't personally know Connie, but I would probably say that this is a real testimonial because Kevin Feige, I've been following Kevin Feige for quite some time now, and he's creating and delivering great products in this internet marketing space, and he's creating a lot of success stories. Okay, now inside of the training course, let me show you guys what you can learn inside of the training course. Okay, so now inside of the training course, guys, Kevin is going to show you each and every single strategy step by step and show you exactly what to do, how to do it, and why you need to do it. Okay, he's gonna show you personally, guys, the exact strategies and tools that he's using, guys, to generate 5 figures per month and online sales using a system, and within just 30 minutes to 60 minutes of work per day. He's gonna show you exactly how to get that result. I'm not saying that you will be able to get the same result that he got, but he's gonna show you exactly the steps that he's doing in his online marketing journey to generate 5 figures per month. Okay, he's also going to be showing you guys a real life case study and how you can dive into this current marketing landscape of internet marketing, because there's so much competition right now in online marketing. So he's gonna show you guys how you can approach the current marketing landscape. Okay, and then he's also going to be showing you guys the tools and resources that he's using in his online marketing business. Okay, that way you can also implement or use those tools into your online business as well. Now he's going to also provide you guys some bonuses. Bonus one, uh, bonus one is he's gonna give away his productivity hacks, and then bonus number two, he's gonna give away solo ad escape. He's gonna also give away a checklist with PLR. So this is a New Year's checklist with PLR. And then bonus number four is consistent sales system. And then bonus number five is Facebook mastermind group access. Okay, so those are the things that you'll be learning, or those are the things that you'll be expecting inside of the front end offer. Now there are some upsells, guys. Now when you try to exit this page, let me refresh this page here. Now when you try to exit this page, guys, there will be a PDF version if you don't want to invest into the product, because the product is gonna cost you like $16, and if you don't want to invest into $16, you can just grab the PDF format, which is only gonna cost you guys 11.95. And if you think that you need the video training, then you can grab the video training. Now you need to get this, guys, as soon as possible, because the price will increase to $37 every time, or the price will increase every time someone purchase a product, or every time he get a sale. So you need to pay this up as soon as possible. That way you will be able to get the lowest possible amount, or the lowest possible price. Okay, now I've also prepared some custom-made bonus, guys, if you decide to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video. Now, my first bonus for you guys is my second product. This is a done-for-you business in a box that allows you to make like hundreds of dollars per day without any technical skills or technical knowledge. So I've created a 3-step process, guys, that allows you to do this without, within just a few minutes of work. You can implement this strategy and, make, 50 and $100 per day. I'm not guaranteeing you that you can make $100 a day with this method. I'm just gonna give you guys a tool that you can use to make $100 per day, and I call this local Videomatic. Now I'm actually selling this, guys, for $27. Now inside of local Videomatic, you'll be able to access to this done for you videos that you can automatically sell online, and these videos comes with different niches. So there is a solar panel installation, there is a hair consultation, hair dental or dentist, there's cleaning service. You can automatically sell this, and you can customize this using only free Canva account. You'll be getting 30 of those videos in different niches. Okay, again, I'm selling this for $27. I'm gonna give away this for free. You're also gonna get access into the free traffic client getting method. I'm also gonna include a PLR license and a done for you website. Okay, so that's my bonus number one. My bonus number two is the pro version of this, which is gonna let you guys unlock gold mine of money making opportunity. So you'll be able to access more videos. You'll be getting 40 additional social media videos that you can automatically sell. Okay, and this videos comes also with private label rights. Okay, so that's my bonus number two. My bonus number three, guys, is my first ever product, which is video vertical. So this is going to show you guys how to create pro quality short and vertical videos that will help you drive free traffic. Inside of this training, guys, I'm gonna show you also a case study in how I use vertical videos to generate sales online. So you'll be getting this as part of my bonus as well. So I'm selling this for $16 and you'll be getting this for free. Okay, and then my next bonus for you guys is my upcoming product, which is eCover-V. So this is gonna let you guys create an e-cover like this, or an e-cover or product cover mock-up like this. I have an example right here. Okay, this is not live yet. I'm selling this for $27 as well, and you'll be able to create product cover if you want to create product, if you want to launch your own product. So you can create a product mock-up like this. Okay, so that's my bonus. And then my fifth bonus for you guys is I'm gonna let you guys clone my $75 per click campaign, or my funnel. So you can also use this into any offer that you wanna create. Now I'm sure inside of the online marketing success for 2024, there would be an offer. Now you can use this funnel, or you can use this campaign to sell whatever offer that you want. So this is the exact funnel that I'm using right now. Okay, so those are all of my bonuses, guys, if you decide to purchase the online marketing success for 2024 by Kevin Fahey. All right, so that's pretty much my overview of this product. If you have any more questions about this, guys, I'm gonna try my best to answer all of your questions. Just leave all of those questions in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Love you.